Hello. Hello everybody. So what are we doing today?
A cake.
A cake. We're making another cake, and this is a very easy cake. You don't need an oven. We are going to be doing a microwave cake, which actually takes
Chocolate cake.
a chocolate cake, yes. It takes 5 minutes. 5 minutes in the microwave. Okay, and very easy ingredients. Not a lot at all. We've got half teaspoon of soda, baking soda, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 6 tablespoons of milk, 5 tablespoons of flour. We have here 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 eggs, 2 eggs, thank you, a little bit of oil, and some butter and a tray. There you go. So it's all very, very easy stuff, very easy ingredients that you'll all have and you'll enjoy making it. So, getting down to business. The first thing we need to do is get our 2 eggs. Today we have our eggs. Unlike yesterday, when you had to go and get them for me. So, eggs go in a bowl, nice and easy. There we go. And now if you'd like to mix that up, little helper. I like my little helper. So there's your 2 eggs, and they're going to get whisked up in the bowl nicely. That's it, keep it going until it's all the same colour. Okay, so once we've mixed that up nicely there, the 2 eggs, we're going to add the sugar. Would you like to pour that in there for me, please?
Okay.
Not with the sticker. Okay, lovely. Just start giving that a little mix. Very nice. Now, little pinch of salt. Just a little pinch of salt in there. Maybe just a little bit more. There we go. Just a nice little pinch of salt. And then we are going to add the milk. Would you like to pour the milk in for me, please? 6 tablespoons of milk. Good, okay. 6 tablespoons of milk. Lovely. Now we'll just get that all whisked. Okay, so once we've mixed in those ingredients there, what we're going to do is we're going to put in the flour and the cocoa powder. Now, a heaped tablespoon like this, nice good amount, and that goes the same with the flour. So 5 tablespoons of flour, very heaped tablespoons. Now what we're going to do is we are going to add those into there, please. You ready? You ready for the shake, shake, shake? I know you like to shake. Wait for it. So there's the flour and the cocoa powder all going into there, and that's going to get sieved into there nice. Off we go.
Oh.
Looking good. Looking good. So, now we've got our flour and we've got our cocoa powder. We're going to very nicely just mix that into there very slowly. This isn't just shaky, shaky, shaky. This is where you've got to show it some loving, okay? Show it some loving. Off you go.
Okay.
Nice, and get it going round. That's it. Keep it going. Keep it going. Hello again. Right, is that all mixed nicely? That certainly looks like it's mixed nicely. I like the look of that. Now what we're going to do is, in here we've got half a teaspoon of baking soda, okay, and we need to add to that a teaspoon of vinegar. Okay, oi, easy there. And we are going to mix that in there like that. We are going to give it a quick mix together, and then that goes in. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir. Get stir in there. Get stir in there. That's going into there, and we are also going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So there's 1. Keep stirring. That's it. Keep going. And 2. There we go. Pin, put it on your finger and try it. Okay, so now we've got our mixture.
Yummy
With all our ingredients there. That's the sort of consistency that we want. Okay, nice creamy consistency like that, nice and smooth. what we're going to do now is just set that aside, and we're going to get our bowl. Now, you can use a latex one, you can use whichever, as long as it's not metal, because in the microwave metal doesn't go too well. So either glass or the latex. We don't have the latex, so I'm using the glass one, which is microwave. So, a little bit of butter, just line my bowl, just to make sure that it turns out lovely. That's it. Okay, and now we are going to put this mixture into the bowl. Whoa! Do you want this? You want this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought you might somehow. Go on, there you go. There you go. Okay, so
Mommy.
just lick your hands, what's the problem? You washed them. It's only chocolate sauce. Smell here. So, we get this into the bowl. And then I'm sure somebody's going to want to have the bowl for the last little bit that they can get out of the bowl. Okay. Yeah.
I want to lick ball.
Uh-huh. Okay. So, there we go. Now, what we need now is a microwave. And if you can set your microwave, it's to 800 watts. And you put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Okay? At the end of the 5 minutes, you leave it in the microwave without opening the door for 10 minutes. So in total, 15 minutes. 5 minutes cooking time and 10 minutes to settle. And then we'll see what happens. Okay. In the microwave, 5 minutes. There we go. And that's what it does. Ping! Oh, so 5 minutes has passed in the microwave. Ping! But we can't open the door. Remember, don't open the door. You must leave for another 10 minutes. So, in the meantime, what we are going to do, which you can actually do anything you want. You can have jam, you can do cream, you can do mascarpone, you can do a cheesecake, any kind of cream. It doesn't matter. Nuts, anything, chocolate, whatever.
Yeah,
okay?
anything.
But what we're going to do, this is condensed milk, and this is 200 grams of butter, and we have some vanilla. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix the butter, the condensed milk, and the vanilla to make the cream that we actually want. Okay. So a nice mix now. Just vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence going in there. There we go. Yeah. Chill out. You'll love it when it comes together. Give it a good mix. Oh, that smells very vanilla. Very nice.
Tasty?
And that should. Not bad. That should bring us to time for the cake in the microwave. And now that we have our cream ready and the cake has been in the microwave for 10 minutes without the door being opened, let's see what the outcome is. Are we ready? Could go really bad. Okay, that's good. Oh, you smell that?
Can I smell?
Ooh, smell that.
Ooh.
Right then.
Chocolate cake. Oh yeah.
Right, let's see how it. Oh,
It's very easy.
okay.
Oh, what is it?
That's called a hole in the middle.
Now I want to put.
Now what we're going to do is going to cut the top off it. So you need a good long knife and very, very carefully go around as good as you possibly can. Nicely, just take your time. There is no rush. There is no rush. All the way through.
Already done.
All the way through.
Oh yeah.
So there.
Chocolate.
So what we can do then is we will put 1/2 on there. Oh, lovely. And 1/2 there. And now we'll put some cream
How
on.
good smell. Can I put? I want to.
Okay, hello, welcome back. Well, we were just letting it cool down, and the wife's decided that we'd like to make 3 floors. We'd like to do a 3-storey cake. So we're just going to cut the top off again, so that we can actually have 3 stories. And there we have another story. Oh, look.
Amazing.
That's lovely. Okay. We have now got 3 layers. 3 floors. 1, 2, 3. And it's cooled down enough so that we can put our butter cream on.
It's not very much.
Which is quite nice. Go on, move it around. Get it around. You move this so that you can get to where the corners are. That's it.
Check what I done.
That's lovely. That is beautiful. So, now we get the next layer. Okay. Floor number 2.
Ooh.
And we'll lay it on top of there. And then we will put the rest of the cream onto there. Or a good dollop anyway. And we'll see if we can get it as level as we did a minute ago. Off you go. Nice and slowly. Good, good. And now, top floor. Top floor to go on.
Hello.
So we've got a 3-storey cake.
Hello.
And now we're going to use the rest of our cream to go over the top and round the sides.
No, it's more.
Over the whole area. So we'll be back to you once it's done. And now here we go. Cake is almost ready. The only thing we've got to do now is a few sprinkles so that we can have a little bit of colour. Oh, lovely. And because this is a chocolate cake, it's always a good idea just to add a little bit of chocolate over the top.
Oh yeah, it's very tasty.
And there's always someone there to clean up the mess. So hopefully you've liked this video. And this is a very easy
Make a
cake.
like.
Very quick, very easy. Make a like, subscribe, because we're going to be doing lots more. Thank you. Bye.